And finally, jersey number 10, Abaya. Let's meet our three referees, Sir from Municipality of Victoria, Sir Rexy Asuncion, and our second referee from Tarlac City, Sir EJ Chanko, and our crew chief from Tarlac City, Sir Jim Locopa. Let's start the game! Unang posisyon, Abaya Babangga, Abaya Luguta. Nakuha ni Kapitan, Lianes. Lianes must be play on La Chica. Still Magalitos. Pass to Abaya, here comes the Barangay Canarem. Abaya try for shot. Nakuha ni Lumakas, nakuha ni Lianes. Lianes pa rin may tangan. Lianes took the ball. Lianes 15 on the shot clock. Lianes pa rin nasusubok. No good. Nakuha ni Gonzaga. Gonzaga big pass to La Chica. Points. First points para sa Barangay Santa Barbara. Abaya. Abaya friend. Abaya didiskarte 15 on the shot clock. Perimeter shot. Yes, good for two. Siniplehan ni Mr. Abaya puntos. Pass replay. Gonzaga. Good for two. Nakatakas si Mr. Gonzaga sa depensa ng Barangay Canarem. Abaya 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Abaya. Big pass. Steal. Ayan na si La Chica. La Chica. Napakabilis. Good photo by La Chica. 7-2 in favor of Barangay Santa Barbara. Abaya. Hana sa gitna. Nakuha ni Primo. Primo meron tayong foul. Foul on jersey number 24. Blocking foul. First personal foul on the first team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Primo involving Abaya. 10 on the shot clock. Abaya pinasa ilalim. Ilumakas. Carlitos 5 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Meron tayong foul jersey number 11. Illegal ni Suspend dahil pass ball. Takin. Proper takin tayo. Jersey number 11 lumakas. Jersey number 11 that's your first personal foul. Second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Abaya. Abaya pick. Abaya drive. Big pass. Ilumakas. Good for two. 7-4. Lianes. Ayos na Chica. Iinalaw po si Bergono. 12 on the shot clock. Bergono friend. Nice din Ilumakas. Ayan ang Canarem. Ilumakas na bitawan. Nakuha ni Primo. Primo pass to Carlitos. Popa. May kasama pang foul. May bonus pa. Foul jersey number 7. Arm contact and ball zone. Jersey number 7. That's your first personal foul. And a third team foul. Babasa isang kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Barbara. 7-6. Kaya meron pa tayong bonus free throw para kay Carlitos. Sabay ang bonus free throw na panagakutan. Lianes. Here comes Lianes. Crossover. Lianes. Meron tayong foul. All jersey number 5. Hitting the arm and a 2 shots. Jersey number 5. That's your first and a first. First throw para kay Lianes sa pumasok. How about the last throw para kay Lianes? To out of 2. Abaya 9-6. 3-point lead ng Barangay Santa Barbara. Abaya pass to Primo. Primo! Air ball. Nakuha ni Abaya. 12 on the shot clock. Pass to Primo. 8 on the shot clock. Abaya. 5 on the shot clock. Meron tayong offensive foul. Foul jersey number 5. Illegal pick. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Henry is out. Yanes setting a play. Yanes from downtown. Maina. Here comes Abaya. Abaya pa rin. Napilipit sa playa. Nakuha ni Primo. Primo 15 on the shot clock. Abaya. Pero shot. Abaya pa rin. Good for 2. Haba sa isa. 9-6, 9-8. Yan is Kakutan! 3 points! Abaya. Pass to Ilumakas, 14 on the shot clock. Ilumakas, third time foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Illegal use of hand. Substitution. Kakutan out, jersey number 28, that's your first personal foul, entering for penalty. Ilumakas pass to Abaya. Abaya pass to Ilumakas, 10 on the shot clock. Babagasi Sagun, Blaka, 5 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Primo pull up jumper. Sagun, nakuha ni Ilumakas, good for 2. Ayan, warning jersey number 26 for delaying the game. Pinasilalim, Gonzaga, Persiata. Nakuha ni Abaya. Here comes Abaya, nagkamadali. Abaya, bibit-bit. Nakita si Primo sa gilid. Good for 2. Ayan, first deadlock of double game. Deadlock tayo sa numero 12. Pass replay, Pilar pa. Third time foul. Foul upon the jersey number 26, hitting the arm and 2 shots. That's your first personal foul and a third team foul. 12 oras natin. Last 3 minutes 5 para sa ating first quarter. Abaya. 15 on the shot ng Abaya. King of pass. Abaya. Tatawa ka dyan ng traveling violation. Same foot landing is a traveling violation. Yanes, last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Lianes wake. Lianes drive. Meron tayong foul. Foul upon jersey number 10. Hitting the arm and 2 shots. That's your first number 6. Makasok si Ilumakas, jersey number 23. Substitution. Sagun out. Sagunin. Ilumakas, pass to Ilumakas. Pass to Primo. Sablay. Nakakatabikan. Nakuha ni Mr. Sagun. Pass to Ilumakas. Ilumakas, 12 on the shot clock. Ilumakas, drive, 8 on the shot clock. Block. Here comes La Chica all the way. Good. Pick 2 by La Chica. Last 2 minutes exactly para sa ating opening quarter. Ilumakas, pass to Ilumakas. Meron tayong foul. Foul upon jersey number. Lianes, pinubulabog ni Sagun. Lianes, behind the back. Lianes, 15 on the shot clock. Lianes, Golan, isolation play. Lianes, hito. Lianes, supply. Nakuha ni Abaya. Abaya ng pamamala bola. Pass to Ilumakas. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Pass, Ilumakas. Sagun, supply. Nakuha ni Ilumakas. King of pass. Sagun pa rin. Supply. Nakuha ni Ilumakas. Plaka. Same ball. 12 on the shot clock. Napakagandang depensa ng Barangay Santa Barbara. Bagong pick. Then on the shot clock. Mahina. Nakuha ni Perconio. Last 1 minute 15. Bilyata. Sinta Paula to La Chica. Here comes La Chica. 15 on the shot clock. La Chica. Meron tayong foul. Foul upon the jersey number 28. Holding foul. That's your first and a penalty. Penalty situation. Both teams penalty. 16 on the shot clock. Lumakas, Ali play. Pass to Apaya. No good. Nagkakatabigan, meron tayong foul. Foul jersey number 10. Illegal is bed. That's your second and a second. Four minutes 45 yung score natin, 40-36. 4-point lead ng Barangay Canarema. Yanes hihingi ng isolation play. 15 on the shot clock. Yanes 10 on the shot clock. Good na Kualisagod. Pass to Ilumakas. Ilumakas friend. Ilumakas to Apaya. Apaya 14 on the shot clock. Apaya friend. Nabitawan. Nagkakatabikan. Nakuha ni Yanes. Pass big play. Nakuha ni Perbo. Perbo nakita sa ilalim si Gonzaga. Oh, Perbo. Lumakas. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Carlitos pick. Carlitos. Kick on pass. Ilumakas. In-out. Nakuha ni Gonzaga. Pass to Yanes. Kick on pass to La Chica. Good. Rebound din ng Carlitos. Pass to back. Apaya. Ayan na ang Barangay Canarem. Apaya big bang. Woo! Porto by Mr. Apaya. 42-38 La Chica. Last 3 minutes 10. La Chica friend. La Chica isolation play. La Chica 12 on the shot clock. La Chica nakalusot. Napakaganda pasa. Ako, hindi kumalekta. Nakuha ni La Chica. Go! Porto. Napakainit ang laban. Apaya naman. Big bang to Carlitos. Big. Carlitos. Dropping combination. Substitution. Apaya jersey number 10. Papasok si Apaya jersey number 6. Yanes. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Big bang. Woo! Porto. Take up time na tayo mga kaibigan. Fifteen on the shot clock. Ilumakas to Ilumakas. 10 on the shot clock. Pass to Ilumakas. Ilumakas side step. For shot. Supply. Nakuha ni Apaya ng apulot. Good for the last 2 minutes of the ball game. Ayan yung bata sa ilalim ng ring. Meron tayong foul. Foul upon jersey number 6. Holding foul jersey number 6. That's your first and a third substitution. Yanes. Yanes friend. 15 on the shot clock. Yanes doing a pick. 10 on the shot clock. Yanes friend. Double step back. Yanes din tayo dyan. Turnover na ilang sa laki ni Mr. Carlitos. Last 1 minute 25. Apaya. Primo. No good. Napulot ni Primo. Pass to Carlitos. Big pass. Porto. Last 1 minute 10. Iba na ang laki ng Star Margarita. Pilata na pulot. Safety ball. Pass to Apaya. 1 minute exactly mga kaibigan. Iba na ang malaki talaga sa laban na ito. Here comes Apaya. Kick pass. Carlitos pa rin. Abaya napakatapasa! Good! 45 seconds. 48-42, last 40 seconds. Last 35 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Lianes, meron tayong foul. Offensive foul on Tristan. Haba friend, last 25 seconds. Nice Ilumakas, last 20 seconds. Ilumakas, big pump for Sian. Last 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Lianes, sabi na yan. Rojan, last 5 seconds. Wait for buzzer. Tatawanan ang preparation. Last 4 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Nice to Abaya. Abaya! And the third quarter score natin, 48-42. Anim ang kalamangan ng Barangay Santa Barbara sa pagkatapos ng ating. Ay, ka na rin pala. Sorry, my Pauls. Tako lang nagkakamali. Hit on the shot clock. Abaya, big bang. No good. Nakuha ni Ganesa. Meron foul. Foul na pa jersey number 11 na push. That's your purse in a purse. La Chica to Gabutan. Reserve tayo. Gabutan 15 on the shot clock. Gabutan 10 on the shot clock. Gabutan friend. Gabutan pinasa gitna. Bergono steal. 5 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Villanda. Villan friend. 24. Shot clock. Violation. Substitution. Ilumakas jersey number. Jersey number 23. Abaya. Abaya friend. Pass to Primo. Primo. Supply. Simple lang sa si Mr. La Chica. Cross over 10 on the shot clock. Pass to Ilumakas. Pass to Primo. Go for 2. Ano na? La Chica crossover, paint the legs. La Chica pen. 15 on the shot clock. La Chica fires. La Chica. Labas sa limang kalamangan. Abaya. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Primo. Pass to Abaya. 10 on the shot clock. Abaya friend, 5 on the shot clock. Nakuha ni Abaya, Abaya, supply. Nagkakatabigan na pulot ni Lumakas. Nagkakatabigan. Meron tayong foul. Foul na pa, jersey number 24, push. Gabutan Dacion. Second personal foul and first team foul. 10 on the shot clock. Sub. Gabutan out, papasok si Kapinpin. On the shot clock. Pass to Abaya. Abaya drive. Abaya big bang. Jersey number 7. Bergono. 5 personal foul. And a 2-shot tayo dyan. Second team foul. Sub. Okay, pass tayo. Sir, takin mo sir, takin tayo. First way, supply. Asway para kay Abaya. Pumasok ang last twice. Score natin. 51-45. Llanes, 15 on the shot clock. Llanes nakawala. Third time foul. Foul upon jersey number 20. Reach twice. Good na.
Isa na lang.
It's dry. Incomplete goal. Basta apat. Apaya, 15, pass to Apaya, Pig. Apaya, 12 on the shot clock. Primo sa pocket corner, 8 on the shot clock. Apaya, poor shot, napulot ni Carlito. Porto, hindi na sumabay si Mr. Villarta sa hapa ni Mr. Garritos, mga kaibigan. Llanes ang big bang! Baba sa tatlong mga kaibigan, napagandang laban na Apaya, pass to Apaya, big bang, Ilumakay! Wow! Porto! Napakagandang laban, palitan lang na score mga kaibigan. Llanes ang babawi. Llanes, isolation play. Llanes, big bang! Puro shot, pick up Apaya, pass big play, tatlo laban sa isa, Ilumakay! Porto! Pass to Perpo. Perpo naman, pass to Llanes. Llanes ang didiskarte. Llanes pink. Llanes strike. Llanes. Porto. 57-52 mga kaibigan. 6 minutes 5. Apaya setting play. 10 on the shot clock. 8 on the shot clock. Apaya, 5 on the shot clock. Apaya friend. Apaya minama sa fly. Nakuha ni Apaya. Meron tayong foul. Foul upon jersey number. La Chica drive. Napakagandang galaw. Good. Meron tayong technical on jersey number 18 for Ponting. Jersey number 18, that's your first in the third. Siya si Sergio Dixon nila. Five minutes 40 sir. 5 minutes 40. Kasi Apaya big bang! Reporting! Llanes play an isolation play. Here comes Llanes. 15 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Llanes isolation play. Llanes pinasa gilid. Pero 5 on the shot clock. La Chica big bang! Supply! Nakulit na rin ang pass to Ilumakay. Ilumakay spread na. Ilumakay 15 on the shot clock. Ilumakas sa kung sa paiyan. Time out, Barangay Santa Barbara. Ayan sa time out po natin. Kabigpin ang nagkamapasahan. Ayos sa Gonzaga. Gonzaga binublamog. Gonzaga friend. Ayos sa Kabigpin. Kabigpin save the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Block! 1 minute 24, 13 on the shot clock. Ayos na Chica. And on the shot clock, Alianes. 5 on the shot clock. Big bang! Supply. Nagkakatipikan. Nakuha ni Sagun. Pass to Paya. Pass to Lucas. Pass to Galitos. Big bang! Jersey number 11. Holding foul. Pang-apat mo na yan, Gonzaga. And then Roberto Galitos. First one. And back tayo. Last 1 minute 5. Last 1 minute 5. Parehas na po, coach. Parehas na penalty na po tayo. Minute 5. Sama na! Sama na! 2 out of 2. Lamang ng isa. Ang Barangay Academy still. May Sagun. Same goal. Last 1 minute 3. Mga kaibigan. Ano ba, sir? 1 minute exactly. Ilumakas. Pass to Abaya. Nakita si Carlitos. 15 on the shot clock. Abaya pa rin. Pedro pass. Sagun. Supply. Nakuha ni Ilumakas. Go! Go! Time out. Ang Barangay Santa Barbara. Wala nang time out ang Barangay Santa Barbara. Dalawa pa sa Barangay Canarem. Last 48 seconds. Reset tayo, sir. Sige. On the shot clock. Llanes. Pasula Chica. Last 45 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Villar na Pita. Balik Abaya. Paso Galitos. Last 30 seconds. Paso Galitos. Last 35 seconds. Ilumakas. Paso Abaya. 15 on the shot clock. Last 30 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Last 25 seconds. Start time foul. Foul upon jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. 5 personal foul and a penalty situation. Last 23 seconds. Ayan. Llanes. First try, mga kaibigan. Okay, reserve tayo. Reserve tayo. First try sa wala. Sa meron. First try. Pumasok ka. Last 22 seconds. Score natin. Time out. Barangay Canarem. Last 23 seconds. Last 23 seconds, 14 on the shot clock. Wala na po siyang timeout, sir. Wala na po siyang timeout. Parehas pong penalty, sir. Parehas pong penalty. Both teams penalty po tayo dyan. Pass to Abaya. Last 20 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Abaya friend. 5 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Abaya ikot. Meron tayong para sa baba. Foul upon jersey number 28. That's your second and a penalty. Last 11 seconds. First try. Sa wala, sa meron. Pumasok ka. Last try. Supply, last try, last 10 seconds. Position tayo na, last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last timeout of Barangay Canaran. So isa na timeout na po, okay na po, nag-timeout na po. Last 10 seconds, score natin 68-66. Pass Sofaya. Pass yung lumakas. Last 5 seconds for Palawansi. Carlitos. Meron tayong foul. Foul na franchise number 28. A holding foul. Third person foul. And a penalty. Last 3 seconds. So, sa meron para kay Carlitos. Supply. Last try! Supply! On! Magkaroon! Foul na pa ang jersey number 10. Pushing foul! And a penalty situation. Last 2 seconds. Last 2.5. Wala na tayong timeout for teams. Gonzaga! First try! Supply! Coach! 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 Last 2.5. Sir! Coach! Last 2.5 for Corazon. Okay, end of the ball game. Congratulations, Barangay Canaran. Meron pa tayong 2-0. Ayan, yung mga bench po natin. Pakilinis po yung mga bench natin, mga sir. Pakilinis po ito. Ayan, next game po natin. Barangay Balbaluto versus